Hola. Hi there. I'm Sergio and I'm from Spain. I have this one question for you. Do you really want to learn Spanish now? Well, you know, Sergio, I've tried several times and I never made it and blah, blah, blah. That's past. But you know, listen to me. I won't have the time. It's really hard for me and I've got such a busy life with my dog, my mother-in-law. That's future. Now the question again, do you really want to learn Spanish now? Is that a yes? See? See? Great! In that case, you have two options. Option number one, I have no clue about Spanish. Go straight away to my playlist, Spanish from Scratch. Option number two, tengo un cierto nivel de español y quiero mejorarlo. Perfecto, tienes muchísimos vídeos que te van a ayudar a hacerlo. Bienvenido, bienvenida a Mindful Spanish with Sergio. Nos vemos.